Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to build your own branded store on Amazon and make real money online in 2025? In this video, I will show you how to set up your Amazon storefront step by step and break down the top ways you can start making money with it even if you are a beginner. An Amazon storefront is like your own branded website inside Amazon. It's free for approved sellers and affiliates, and it lets you showcase your products in a clean, professional layout, tell your brand story, drive traffic from social media, TikTok or ads, track analytics, and boost sales. You can create a storefront if you are a registered brand through you can create a storefront if you are a registered brand through Amazon brand registry, a seller on Amazon with active listings, or a part of the Amazon influencer program. Perfect if you create content and want to earn from affiliate sales. Here's how to set up your Amazon storefront as a seller. Go to seller sellercentralamazon.com. Navigate to stores. Before signing into your account, then navigate to stores, manage stores, then click create a store, choose your brand name, must be registered, pick a template like Marquee, product grid or highlight, add header, image, brand logo, featured products, categories, and pages. Use the drag and drop editor to design each section. When you are done, click submit for review. Amazon approves stores in 1 to 3 days. Not selling products, no problem. If you are a creator, join the Amazon influencer program. Go to affiliate program. Amazon.com/influencer. Sign in with your Amazon account, link your YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram. Once approved, you will get access to your own custom storefront. You can add product lists before for favorite items and video reviews, and earn affiliate commissions when people buy through your links. You and Here's how to start earning with your store. As a seller, drive traffic to your storefront through ads, influencers, or SEO. Promote your best products, run discounts, and keep your storefront updated. As an influencer or affiliate, share your storefront link on TikTok products reviews, YouTube videos, Instagram stories, blog articles, or Pinterest. You will earn up to 10% commission on qualifying purchases, and you get paid when people buy anything, not just the product you linked. Quick pro tips to make money From your Amazon storefront, use lifestyle images. Use lifestyle images instead of boring product pics. Add video reviews to build trust. Organize products into easy to browse collections. Track analytics inside Seller Central or the affiliate dashboard. Share your store link and everywhere, bio stories, blogs, etc. And that's how you set up your Amazon storefront and start making money, whether you are a brand seller or content creator in 2025. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and drop a comment if you want a step-by-step walkthrough of Amazon affiliate strategy or how to run your first Amazon ad campaign. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.